So like Kermit the Frog, I'm sat halfway up the stairs at Dynodaze. This FN2 is in for a remap today using the Ecutek software. Now it's got a Marlin ECU already in there from Uncle Paul, and we're going to live tune it on the dyno. It's got some mods, it's got an induction kit, it's got a 4-branch, an exhaust. It's actually got the oil pump conversion, so we're hoping to see some power today, assuming that the inlet manifold isn't the restriction. But let's find out, shall we? Here we go, another one of Dynodaze. There's some nice brakes on there, mate. Look at them goldies. They'll certainly stop you, won't they? Quite like those wheels on it as well. Oh, look, Max the Design splitter. We sell these at Dynodaze. Check out the website. If you want to see them fitted, check out Carbugger Car Diaries. Good old Chris, he's just had some done. Chris has also had the front splinter the same as this car. It's looking very lovely. Hey, get mapping.
Busy, mate.
Busy, mate.
Busy, mate. Waiting for a mate.
Wait for a mate. Just wait for a mate. Silver FN2, and obviously we're mapping this today. Lovely car. Some nice bits on it. And there's another one. Look at that. Jason is fitting some 1000cc injectors.
Supercharged, isn't it?
You like it? Bop, bop, bop. Well, there we have it. Another one done, another FN2 done. Made some wheel horsepower there, certainly. And we finished the day on 221 brake horsepower. Yeah, good improvement. Really happy with that. Hopefully the customer will be as well. Cheers for watching, everyone. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. And let's get some more FN2s in here. You know we love them. Do not ignore me.
He's always walking around like,
Well, I'm making a video. This is the start of this beautiful FN2's video.
We'll deal with that in a minute.
All right, well, let's look at your Supra, shall we? What's good about it? I know that I've pushed this in and out for the last 8 months.
It's the only cardio you get.
It is the only cardio I get. Does it start now, Richard? Does it run? Have we seen a video of it running?
No, not for you.
Not for me.
Take the camera.
Oh.
Before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.